This is Intan from Missbake Cakes. We are specialized in birthday custom cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful and delicious cupcakes. So let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients to make vanilla cupcakes. First, we need 125 grams of flour. I also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of vanilla powder. And then we need 2 medium eggs. It's around 100 grams. We also need 100 grams of castor sugar and 125 grams of butter. You can use either salted or unsalted butter, it's up to you. I use salted butter, so I don't need to add any more salt. And then the last one, we need milk. There are 2 spoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of milk, it's around 15 grams. Now, we're gonna do the mixing. First, put the butter and also sugar. Till it becomes smooth and pale. Then we add the egg one by one. All the flour with the baking powder and vanilla. After all mixture well, then we pour it in the cupcake paper. This recipe yield 8 cupcakes. Each of it is around 60 grams. Then we bake this at temperature 170 degrees Celsius and for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I think our cupcakes are ready. Yay, this is our vanilla cupcakes. Get it chill for a while and then we can decorate this. Now, we're going to decorate our cupcakes. Here I have buttercream, white, blue and pink. I'm going to put the frosting. Flower decoration of fondant. Here I have the colored fondant. You can buy just the white fondant in stores and you can color it your own with wood color. Flower cutters here, they're butterfly and stuff. I'm going to show you how to make the decoration. I'm using the cornstarch. Flower cutter, I'm going to show you how to make rose by handmade. First, we need to make like this. Pinch it until it becomes thin and then just roll it. For the petals, we need to make like a small ball. After that, we will glue this petal using mineral water. So, here is our roses. Here is our final cupcakes with frosted buttercream and sunflower decoration.
I got those future vibes.
for watching Ayo Cari Makan. If you want to see more of our cake creation, just go to our Facebook page at Missbake or our Instagram at official Missbake. Thank you, have a sweet day and bye-bye.